Hello, ito po si Federico Ayawahat. Nag-apply ako sa Involve Asia Affiliate at yung Cash Express ay partner sa Involve Asia. Mag-promote ako ngayon ng Cash Express. Kung gusto nyo nga mag-loan, maka-loan kayo dito. At nilagyan ko rin ito ng QR code link sa sa Cash Express. Deep link sa Involve Asia. Kung gusto niyo mag-loan, scan lang ninyo ang QR code at makapunta kayo sa website sa Cash Express. Ito po ang screen sa Cash Express. Kung makapasok kayo sa Cash Express, kung i-scan niyo ang QR code, ito ang makikita nyo. Magpili lang kayo kung ilan ang i-loan nyo. Cash Express advantage. Simple, one valid ID, no collateral or complicated paperwork required, just your ID. Secure, SEC regulated, fully compliant with NPC and SEC standard. Your data is 100 safe. Fast, 5 minutes approval, get approval instantly. Money sent directly to your e-wallet or bank account. Safety po ito. SEC regulated ang Cash Express. 3 simple steps to your cash. Number 1, apply 100% online. Select your loan amount and fill out a simple registration form. 2, get approved. Our automated system will process your application with 5 minutes. Number 3, receive money. Get your funds instantly via GCash or your bank account. Available 24/7. Apply for loan. I-click nyo ito. Who can apply? 21 to 70 years old. For Filipino citizens with this age range of the time of application. Stable income. Must currently employed, self-employed, or have a steady source fund. Hindi po kayo maka-loan kung wala kayong source of income. Paano po kayo magbayad kung wala kayong source of income? Dapat may trabaho kayo, employed or self-employed, or have steady source of funds. 1 valid ID, passport, national ID, driver's license, SSS, you made postal or PRC ID. Trusted by our borrowers. Si Robert, Batangas City. Sabi niya, the service was good and the process was smooth. I didn't get the extra amount I requested, but that's okay since it was my first time applying for our loan. The process and approval were fast. It only took about 15 minutes. Customer service was also big help in completing my application. For me, these services at 10 by 10 because of the excellent services and quick approval. As of now, I don't have any negative comments about the loan process. The system and overall process are well done. First online loan in the Philippines. Your first online loan in the Philippines. Your first 7 days with 0% interest. Looking for a simple way to access your funds, whether it for emergencies, unexpected expenses, or personal project. We've got you covered out. Online loan services in the Philippines offer accessibility, speed, convenience. What are online loan and why should you consider them? When you need financial support but don't have the saving or traditional loan option, an online loan can be lifesaver with your user-friendly platform. You can apply for loan anytime and get cash fast. Our online loans are unsecured, meaning no collateral is required. This makes them ideal to medical emergencies, car repairs, home improvement projects, and more. We, we process application with one business day, ensuring you get money you need quickly within minimal hassle. Here are key details when you apply with us loan amount 5,000 to 500 to 40,000. Term of option 182 days with 7 days payment frequency or 182 days with 14 days payment frequency or 189 days with 21 days payment frequency or 180 days with 30 days payment frequency. Interest per 7 days, 0 interest. 14 days, 140 days, 199% per day. For returning customers, 1.5 to 1.99% per day. Maximum annual percentage rate. The maximum APR for our loans is 726.35%. Approval time 5 to 15 minutes. Eligibility age 21 to 70 years old. Required must be currently employed or have stable income. Required document valid IDs as passport, national ID, driver license, SSS, UMID, postal ID or PRC ID. How to apply for a quick loan? Our online application process is straightforward, hassle for free. Well, here's how you can secure your loan. Create profile, register on our website and fill out the application form. Get a decision fast. Once your application submitted, you'll receive decision with 15 minutes. Receive your funds upon approval. The loan amount will be deposited directly in your bank account e-wallet. Kadto ra kung gibasa taman, kitaas na. Kung mag-apply kayo ng loan, scan lang ang QR code, makikita niyo sa screen or sa video. Ito po ay galing sa Cash Express na link. Gilagay ko sa QR code para madali lang kayong maka-loan. I-scan lang ninyo ito. Salamat!